Special thanks to motorcar Bratislava-Lamač in Slovakia, and here is Mercedes-AMG Performance Center. So let's take a closer look at the exterior of this beautiful car. So this car is finished in selenite grey, Designo Magno color, and this is the key fob to this car. So it has a Panamericana grille in the front and these beautiful daylight LED running lights. It also has a intelligent light system LED. One more time at the LED lights. So it has a lot of air ducts to cool down the engine and give the engine more air. So I really like how this car looks from the front, really nice and sporty. And from the side you can see yellow edition 1 details. So around the rims, then stripe. So these are the Michelin 265/40 21-inch alloy wheels, and the tires are Pilot Sport 4S Michelin tires, carbon ceramic brakes for immediate stopping power, V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus badge on the front fender, and this is a spec of the car and the price. A beautiful yellow stripe on the doors. This is just a fantastic looking family car with lots of power. And also the rear looks even, it's hard to say, it looks even better because it's just beautiful. One of my favorite, if not the favorite SUV. So let's hear the exhaust at idling. GLC 63S logo on the back and AMG logo on the back, 4 exhaust tips, aero spoiler on the door, black trim around the windows, so you get this with night package, nice design on the roof, and this paint is just next level, looks like a frozen paint, really nice. And these lights are just gorgeous, the LED lights. So here you can see which fuel car needs. So it's 98 octane, and these are the pressure for the tires, also winter or summer. So let me know how do you like these edition 1 details in yellow, also on the rear mirrors. And also you can see some inside stitching. So yeah, I really think this is like a top-notch design from AMG. Very different from the 43 AMG model, much wider. So let's take a look at the engine. Also yellow door trim with yellow light. This car is an SUV for off-roading and a sports car on the street. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S 4MATIC Plus impresses in every respect. You can get the best acceleration experience even from a standing position thanks to the race start function of the AMG Speedshift MCT 9G Sports transmission. And if you are already traveling your own way, the AMG Sport suspension based on the air body control offers maximum ride control on almost any surface. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S 4MATIC Plus is as close to racing as it gets. The characteristic feature, the striking AMG radiator grille with 15 vertical slats. Behind it lies pure aggressiveness. A 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with a power of 375 kilowatts or 510 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, supported by the newly developed intelligent all-wheel drive system AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus. You get from 0 to 100 km or 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds at racing level. The 4.0-liter 8-cylinder bi-turbo engine is already being used in numerous AMG performance vehicles. It's also installed in the AMG GT sports car with dry sump lubrication. A characteristic feature is that the two turbochargers are not positioned on the outside of the cylinder banks, but inside the cylinder V. The main advantages of this design are the compact engine construction, optimal response and low exhaust gas emissions. So let's take a look at the interior of this beautiful car. So fully adjustable performance seats, as you can see here, with quilted leather and yellow stitching. AMG Performance steering wheel with Edition 1 writing and the yellow stripe here. So this steering wheel is quite thick and it has nice feel to it. So on the left side you can see the lights. These are the main headlights, automatic parking lights, and this is for one side parking. These are the fog lights. This is for automatic driving pilot, parking, Parktronic, 360 degrees view, and for washer fluid. And these are the gauges, the old school, I mean not really old school, but analog gauges with carbon fiber pattern or decor, you can say. And in the middle you can see display, and you can change what you see there from the speed, trip setting from the start, from reset, eco display, range and consumption, and you can change it also to navigation, radio, media, telephone, service settings, AMG. So you can see boost, temperatures of the engine, G-force, settings for your driving style, dynamic select, lap times. So let me know, how do you like this interior? It also has carbon fiber decor. I think this is one of the best, if not the best, family car. So these are proper bucket seats, AMG Performance seats. They are quite thick and you can control them. So they are automatic. So in the command display you have really nice graphics of your car, GLC 63S. Even though this is like an older command system, older generation, few years old, I think this still really looks great. because when they made it a few years ago, it was just amazing and groundbreaking. So till this day it's really great because it was futuristic when they released this. So you can see everywhere where we are parking, so this is really convenient. And sure, when the new, this is on the sides, when the new GLC will be revealed very soon, this year, maybe in Geneva, then it will have new info system, new infotainment. But I know some people which like more analog display and this old school, so this is the right car for you. So as you can see in the Sport Plus, the car is lower on -1, and the same is for race. And for Sport, the car is on 0. And in the individual you can adapt everything to your likings. So let me know which GLC do you like more, the SUV or the coupe version. I really like both of them, but yeah, I don't know, the SUV version looks really great. I really like it. It's like a hatchback SUV style. Nice pedal shifters as always. And here you have a toggle for cruise control, and this one is for steering wheel. So fully electric adjustable steering wheel. So in the middle you can see the Thermatronic dual zone climate control. Here we have some hotkeys, and this is for your drinks, for the cup holders. These are the cup holders. 12-volt socket. Really nice, like a matte texture. This is for controlling the command system. AMG ride control, manual gearbox, dynamic select, volume, AMG performance exhaust system, auto start stop, and this is the lift for the car. So in the glove box is actually closed. I'm not going to open it, but yeah, it's like a standard glove box. I really like this, like a shelf style, so you can place something here, maybe your documents. It's quite large actually. So on the top you have a sun visor with a mirror and light, a nice black roof, and also this car has a panoramic roof. So it really looks nice and bright for you. Also it has in the back panoramic roof. So I really think this is ideal family car and also with a lot of performance. So in the middle console you have some storage space with 2 USB ports and SD card slot. It's quite big and deep. And on the top you have a video for your sunglasses, and these are the settings for lights, SOS button. So this really looks fantastic. Alright, so let's take a look at the engine bay. So also you have a head-up display, so you can see your speed and rev counter like a Formula style. So let's take a look at the back of the car, at the rear seats. So they don't have any more integrated headrest, but it looks more like a SUV here now with this detached. A really nice soft material, a quilted leather with yellow stitching, and because of the AMG performance seats you have also more space for the for your knees. And this is really nice and soft interior, these seats. Take a look. Not your typical seat, very nice and soft. So this must be very comfortable. I can feel it's already too comfortable. And Mercedes logo on the top. So this is just every dad's dream, I think. If your wife tells you need SUV, this is it. Go for this one. And you won't regret. So yeah, I have plenty space here. And also above my head. No problem, even with panoramic roof, no problem. So this is like, I don't know how much, like 12 centimeters. So even taller people than me can sit here, no problem. And for kids this is plenty of space. And also, one more thing, this is the fastest SUV around the Nürburgring Nordschleife. So this is the fastest SUV and also is the most practical, and it has also the best sound. And in this color it is just a masterpiece. So let's take a look in the boot space. Really big space here. You can carry many things here, no problem. And addition one, floor mats. So these are the little things which do you want in your car. So this is just attention to detail which you need, which you have to love. Just fantastic. This is your medical kit, and you can lower the car with this button. So now I can see it's going low, and if you want to put some heavy things in the car, thanks to the suspension here, it can go lower. So it's much lower than before. You can see here. So it's easier to put things inside. So you can fold rear seats here. And this is your cover. So carbon ceramic brakes, 265 40 21-inch wheels, edition 1. An LED intelligent light system. So yeah guys, this is it for this review. Let me know if you like this video, because I love it and I also love this car. So let me know in the comment section down below how much do you like it, if you prefer it in this color or in the different color, because I definitely prefer it in this color with edition 1 package and with yellow accents, yellow floor mats. It is just a magnificent car, great and practical for the family with keyless. So one more time, let's take a look here. So you guys, let me know in the comment section down below what do you think. If you have any more questions, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more videos to come. And there guys, I wish you to have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the next video.